Very nice new airport. TSA looks long as shit. So, the premise of it is, new LaGuardia airport is nice, but still very fucking crowded. But at least they're able to handle the bigger crowds now. So, it's pretty good. Delay till 6:45, but it's no big deal. Gate 56. Still inbound coming in from Dallas. Let's go to the gate. Wow. Unbelievable views from up here. We got California one that just pushed back. Got our JetBlue just took off. Wow. Skybridge is amazing. Almost on the American terminal. They're just still in construction, but thankfully American can still utilize a lot of that terminal over there. We got a A220 landing. It's a Delta. Very nice. Pretty great Skybridge. I really like it a lot. Very nice. Alright, let's go down to gate 56. Here's our inbound flight coming in from Dallas today after a 1 hour delay. It's no big deal. It's only 30 minutes late despite the hour delay. 737-700. We'll give you all the tail number as soon as it parks at the gate. But here it comes in to land. Runway 22 into LaGuardia from Dallas. Dallas Love Field, that is. Alright, well, there's our lovely plane. 498WN is today's registration number. Classic, new livery, no scimitar. Southwest OG plane, 700. Taking us to Atlanta tonight. See y'all at boarding. Alright, on row 7. We got 2 windows, but it's very up close. Nice window view. The 2 windows aren't that cramped at all. It feels really good. Very nice.
Doesn't sweat because we got a few minutes ago.
Wow, turning already. Keep pushing back. Ew. Cemetery window is still dark at the bottom. Alright, engine start.
flying over DC right now, watching Disney Plus. Hanging out. Mario, we just done our descent over North Carolina, crossing into South Carolina. Coming down for 34,000 feet. It's been a very smooth flight. The beauty of flights between New York and Atlanta is that they're never too short, never too long. They're just perfect, medium in the middle. See y'all on final descent. What up, downtown Atlanta? Looking beautiful tonight. Oh, look, an airplane. Definitely just took off at Atlanta for sure. Very cool. But yeah, here's downtown Atlanta. We're gonna turn right over it and then head on west and circle back around to land on runway 8 left. Very excited. Yep, there's downtown. Wow. Oh wow, babe, look at all that. Look. No. See all that? Very pretty. Alright, y'all, here we go. We're banking left now. To circle around, land on runway 8 left. We just started banking. Alright, y'all, it's 2:85. Final approaching the runway 8 left. Very interesting approach. Oh wow, look at that. Parallel. We got parallel landing right here. Looks like a American. Oh, is that British Airways? Oh shit. Might be British Airways. That'd be really crazy if it was British Airways. Actually, I think it is. Hey, that's British Airways. That plane landing next to us coming from freaking London. That's so cool. Coming from London, landing right next to us. The parallel landing right there. That's very cool. Yeah. Welcome to Atlanta.
We got some fish and chips.
Oh god, sounds horrible. At least they're coming to a place with better food. But welcome to Atlanta, y'all, after a lovely 8-day spring break trip in New York City. Oh, they got the Ukrainian flag colors on the Atlanta airport. Green for Ukraine. Yellow, blue, sorry. Maybe it's not. St. Patrick's Day, I'm a dumbass, sorry. Ignore that, guys. But yep, here's the final approach in the runway 8 left in Atlanta Airport. Yep.
When does St. Patrick's Day?
I'm not sure.
Thursday? Do I celebrate Thursday?
That was soft. That was very soft.
Folks, on behalf of Southwest Airlines entire crew, this is Urban here. Welcome to Atlanta. Remain seated. Seatbelts fastened, all your carry-on items still